Which test of memory typically provides the fewest retrieval cause? Cues. The B answer is the correct answer. Recall. Semantic memory and episodic memory are classes of. The C answer is correct answer. Explicit memory. Explicit memory. Echoic memory fade after approximately. The D answer is correct answer. 1 second. 1 second. The greatest interference occurs when old and new materials are dash. The D answer is correct answer. Similar to each other. When an eyewitness to an auto accident is asked to describe what happened, which test of memory is being utilized? The A answer is correct answer. Recall. Recall. The process of interference can lead to a failure in dash. The D answer is correct answer. Any of the above. Any of the above. Repression is an example of dash. The C answer is correct answer. Motivated forgetting. Motivated forgetting. The tendency to immediately recall the first and last items in a list better than the middle item is known as the dash effect. Serial position effect. The C answer is correct answer. Recalling childhood birthdays is an example of which types of memory? A answer is the correct answer. Episodic memory. Episodic memory. The desire of fading of memory with time is considered to be a failure in dash. The B answer is correct answer. Storage. Storage.